世界在慢慢动起来。新一年，新气象，有一种能量可以让我更坚强。我听到鞭炮声在噼里啪啦响，仿佛在呼唤日子会更加灿烂。原来啊，这就是力量。我听到春风吹过天边的蔚蓝，开花结果就在那不远的地方。我祝福贵和吉祥，旺一旺。恭喜恭喜你过个大生年，每一段时间都值得怀念。有昨天，有今天，才会有明天。恭喜恭喜你过个大生年，相信这一年会是丰收年。鞭炮声在耳边，是喜乐年年，圆满的春天。
Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Tuesday SGX Mastery with me. Okay, my name is Yihua. So, hi Daniel, hi everybody. Why Chinese New Year song? It is because this song, after you listen to it, it really brings a very positive and Chinese New Year mood, ma. Also, it is a very 7 months must pour the 7月俏佳人哦。The other song that 陈汉伟 song 哦，寂寞开在心四方that song right? Okay, 来，废话少说，来 ，Let's go, come on, first stop, come. What stop do you want to look tonight? We are going to move to 8 p.m. 9 p.m. Some people has email in saying that it ends very late, so we're going to start at 8 p.m. from now on. Now we have back to heightened alert phase 1. So yep, most of you going back to work, right? Drive carefully, man. Flood is everywhere. Drive. Hey, ISDN. Okay, great. Ethan. ISDN. Let's take a look at ISDN. Let's see whether can we find any stocks to trade over the next few days to next week. Okay, I will just talk about your stock first, and then later when more people join us, we're shooting for again 600-700 of you. If it increase to 800, will be even better. Then we'll talk about the market catalyst for this week. Okay, so that more people is aware of what is going on. So ISDN, of course, earnings surprise, gap down and going down, now recovering. I don't see any BIC yet, therefore I'm holding to my ISDN and not adding yet. Okay, so this stock second half of the earnings to be reported in February should be positive lah, or should be positive. So we have to watch if there is any opportunity to buy yet. Okay, you must understand this stock is very tricky. It likes to consolidate for the second half of the year. Can you see? And then goes up. So this is the we are waiting for, which is December, January period. Okay, what I don't like about recent news about semiconductor stock is now the whole world knows semiconductor stock is in hot demand, semiconductor chip shortage. So suddenly the investment world will now have more people looking at them. So it makes it, I prefer catalyst that is not known to most of the people, and then we quietly, secretly make the money. So right now, a lot of people know about this chip shortage. So we have to see how the market trades the semicon stock. Okay, for back to ISDN, there's no BIC yet on the daily chart. If you go to the weekly chart, you are looking at 2 long black candle. Now, looking at these 2 long black candle, Yang Zhijiang, okay, you can see it has the same 2 long black candle on the weekly chart. Okay, which is bearish in nature. Which is bearish in nature. Okay, so this Yang Zhijiang 2 long black candle is the same as ISDN. Okay, Yang Zhijiang of course break higher today, but ISDN, could it be this week? I doubt so actually. Okay, based on normal circumstances, it needs to consolidate first before it goes back up. A number of stocks did this. Nanofirm, Union Gas, ISDN, these three stocks. Okay, so we need to see further evidence of buying. Selling has to stop on the weekly chart first before we go to the daily chart and look for entry. Date support 56 cents. It has not dropped below 56 cents for the whole year of 2021. Okay, this is the level that the whole market will be looking at, so we are not alone. Let's see if you can test 56 cents. So those of you who has ISDN and still holding on, prepare to see 56 cents, and once we see BIC, that will be a better chance to buy. Otherwise, no BIC, you know, I usually don't touch the stock first. Okay, and those of you who do not know what is BIC, we will come back to it in the middle of the webinar. Probably now it's 8 o'clock, right? So about 8:45 or 8:30, we'll talk about BIC, how to recognize. Then we'll go through the list of stocks and look for the next opportunities. Okay, so that is for ISDN. Next stock, Genting. Okay, Yangzijiang first. We talk about Yangzijiang. Just now we show glimpses of Yangzijiang. Now, those of you who has missed Yangzijiang, including myself, guys, I have already sold my Yangzijiang. Okay, I sold my Yangzijiang, lock in the profit. So after lock in profit, it has rallied up. No shame, never mind. You will always have a chance to buy. In the face of long black candle, if I don't sell, then I will gonna more nano, more ISDN. So therefore, it is one of my sell rule to get out of the stock first if I see danger. So Yangzijiang, actually yesterday suddenly the buyers swing back into the stock. Okay, I have talked about this stock last night in the members meeting. We hope to see a pullback. Okay, we hope to see a pullback so that it make it an easier trade to trade. Okay, otherwise, once it break out, I do not want to chase at 160. Yangzijiang is a stock that is better to buy at a low. Okay, so right now it is going in all-time high. Wait for the pullback before we get interested in the stock. Fundamentals of Yangzijiang is solid. It has won 6 to 8 billion US dollar of orders. So as the year progresses, they will start to deliver the ships and they will be able to record better earnings. Then you will see the ranking improve. Okay, so this is a favorite question. A lot of people ask me, hey, why is this only 1 star? Or it's because the bulk of the earning is not in yet. Okay, so therefore you can see 1 star, and it was just the first earnings growth of Yangzijiang. Okay, so we expect more and more stuff to come out. So therefore, Yangzijiang going forward, if there is any setup on BIC, and that is the one that we 不要错过. Okay, so this one really caught me by surprise today, so strong, all the way to 160. Okay, so just leave it alone first, come back to it next time. Okay, and if you don't have it, we can curse it to show a shooting star by Friday. Okay, so if you are like me, already sold it and we don't have it, the best thing we can do is to curse this stock. Hopefully it show a shooting star and then pull back for us. 好不好啊? Good or not? Okay, we talk about nano firm. Okay, nano firm, I can share with you something. Okay, nano firm, right? First of all, is the IPO stock, so I do not have the financial performance. Now, why it gets down is because when nano firm is IPO'd and the last earnings in February, okay, it has an earnings. So therefore, it recorded quite a decent set of earnings, making money, growth, and there was no warning sign at all that their earnings reporting in August is going to be slower growth. Okay, in fact, no growth, if I'm not wrong. In fact, no growth. So therefore, the market stunned, and then there was an avalanche of selling, come down for 2 days, and the volume is very huge. Okay, I think yesterday we have a news reporting that the market trims down their holdings in nano firm in this selling as well. So what is nano firm doing now is a bounce. Now, if you want to buy nano firm, you need to ask yourself, can you trust the second half earnings? The company has come out to say that the second half earnings should be better, and usually that is their season where the earnings will be good. So therefore, if you want to buy nano firm and hold it to the second half of the year, you need to know the earnings well. Will it fly kite again? If you fly kite again, then you see you continue the selling. So as of now, I will say nano firm has already stabilized. Okay, it's no longer going down. Now it's going on a bounce. So as usual, if I were to buy the stock, I prefer to see BIC, just like how we did it last time, guys, just like how we used to do it. Okay, so the method doesn't change. You see, if every different stock you try different style, right, you will be messed up. You'll be messed up. Then sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Then you lose confidence and you do not know what is going on with the stock. So what I want to do is to be consistent in the strategy, so that when we lose, we know that this is not the BIC Tiocon, or if it's a BIC chart, we know that our chance of making money is higher. So that is why it is important to stick to what works for you. Okay, BIC works for me, so if BIC works for you, you should continue to observe and wait for it. Otherwise, to me, randomly buying in is not an idea. Like for example, if you find that 380 is support, 435, you take your risk. Okay, no, I buy 380, come down, I cut. That is like gambling, man. That is like gambling. So you need to know the earnings going forward. Okay, so let me go to the weekly chart and see. Weekly chart, you can see nothing much. Okay, nothing much. And daily chart, okay, hourly chart is the one that we start to see the buyer trending in. Okay, now you see, when we switch to the hourly chart, okay, this is the lowest point. So whatever happened here is already done deal. So what you want to know is, in the hourly chart over here, is there any BIC, is there any buyer in control or not? You can see the same method applies in multiple time frame. Can you see the BIC, guys? If you can see the BIC, hit the like button. Hit the like button if you can see the BIC pattern in nano firm. Okay, great. I saw the like button flying up. You're right. Okay, so all the BIC are happening right here, and pull back on low volume. Okay, but today shooting star, so watch out for it. Okay, it may pull back, and once you see seller in control, it means that it may go back down to test the lows again. So that is for nano firm. Earnings wise, if you ask me, my personal opinion is, since it fly me kite in first half 2021, I am unlikely to believe the second half 2021. I'll keep it very simple. There are other stocks, okay? There are other stocks who reported decent and good first half 2021 earnings, and their second half looks to be just as good. So I will focus my firepower on those stocks instead. Okay, so that is nano firm. Next one, I saw Genting, right? Genting, Genting came down because of Genting came down. There was a piece of news about the IR in Osaka. So the mayor who opposed IR is the person who is mayor now in Osaka is the person who is opposed of IR. So that seems to be a negative news for the stock, because Genting Singapore has this, is it called tender bidding? Bidding to run the IR in Japan. Okay, but anyway, okay, for trading, right? For investment, for trading, before the chart comes in, we want to look at the catalyst. Okay, let me show you. Right here. Hey, don't worry, guys. Don't go first. Don't make it a habit. Whenever you see this side, you start to switch off and offline. No. This is just to remind everybody what are we looking for. Okay, stay put. Oh, Yokohama, not Osaka. Yokohama. Okay, so this is the what to buy, when to buy. Okay, so when you want to buy a stock, okay, other than looking for the BIC chart, the most important thing actually to me, guys, industry theme and catalyst. You can be late in a stock, and it is more forgiving if you are in the right stock. Buying the right stock solves 50% of your problem. Okay, so industry theme and catalyst. So now if you talk about Genting, now let me ask you, Genting, what kind of good news do you expect from Genting? Delta variant is rampant. It is not slowing down yet. And you talk about holiday makers. Are they flying into Singapore to gamble in Genting? Are they booking the hotel in Sentosa? Will the business be roaring like last year before COVID? To me, the answer is no. If the earnings is a no to me, then I will not trade the stock yet. Okay, I need to see visibility in the earnings. So if you keep it to this process, trading will be much simpler and easier because you have something to look at, which is the earnings. If the earnings cannot make it, don't touch it. If you cannot see earnings, don't touch it. If you can see and you can find out information that this company is going to report better earnings going forward, this is the company to focus on. Okay, so in the whole Singapore Stock Exchange, like today, I talked to you about Yangzijiang, for example. Now, Yangzijiang earnings, we all can see, confirm next few quarters is going to be up because order book already 6 to 8 billion US dollar, you understand? That is why Yangzijiang is up today. You talk about Genting, I can't find any catalyst, I'm sorry. Comfort also the same. I think this one come hand in hand. Comfort Delgro is also the same. Okay, it went up, okay, because it's going to IPO Australia Comfort Delgro. Okay, they are Australia company, so they're going to IPO, but it's not confirmed yet. So the company say if it's confirmed, they will inform us, give us more information, and then the next day is shut down immediately. So these are the companies that we are talking about recovery play. That means post-pandemic play. I think it is still too early. We need to really see the Delta variant under control. Okay, then business travel flying around, holiday makers going around. Then we will be able to have a visibility on the earnings. So right now, I think it's still too early for these stocks. Costco, Adeline Liao. Costco, I have already given up on it. I stopped tracking Costco, but for your sake, let's take a look at Costco. Okay, Costco. Costco really is a waste of time, man. You see, it is not trending up. Okay, it's not trending up. It went up. Then after that, went to sleep. Sleep for a long time already, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 months already, and I don't see anything exciting on the charts. Okay, not that it cannot go up forever. It's just that at the moment there is nothing exciting in the chart to go up. Let me show you what is exciting so that all of you understand. Nanofirm before it went up. Okay, there is something interesting in the chart from here to here. Okay, so let's take a look. You can still see there is volume spike, buyers stepping into Nanofirm before it break out successfully and fly away. So this is the kind of excitement that we want. So, okay, let me show you another one. Fortress Mineral. Back in the day when we were trading Fortress Mineral, can you see this big rally of 92%? 92%. So before it fly out, right, you can see Fortress Mineral has the same kind of volume spike. Okay, volume spike before the stock flies up. So this is what I call excitement. So if you take a look at Costco chart, there isn't any excitement at all. Can you see? There's no excitement at all. So probably not a good time to look at it. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Time is very precious. Okay, market strength index. Wait for more people to come because some of them 8 o'clock maybe still having their dinner. So after they have their dinner, when we hit about 400-500 viewers on Facebook, and when I combine about 600-700, then I share. More impactful, more people will benefit. Okay, more people will benefit. So I will hold the strength index first. Then we talk about any other stocks that you have in mind, like Benjamin Lee asking about Union Gas. Union Gas is my all-time favorite in the webinar, correct? Also, what it has done now is it has plunged because earnings miss. Now, Union Gas is a stock I have been talking about it during this period, July, August, that it is too high because the PIPS projection is 60% earnings growth. It didn't even grow, my friends. It declined. Can you see? Earnings growth decline. Earnings growth decline. No. Earnings no growth. Earnings decline. Okay. First half 2021 is lower than second half 2020. So it actually declined. Therefore, Union Gas got punished. Therefore, I say do not chase when it was above $1. Okay, it was really crazy time anyhow fly. So right now it's being thrown down, and I don't believe I don't believe I will be looking at it for a long time because I am very surprised by the decline. Okay, for the record, I have already sold my Union Gas. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I have already showed my Union Gas. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Union Gas, Union Gas, Union Gas. There you go, Union Gas. Okay, I have already sold my Union Gas, okay, along with my Yang Zhejiang. So therefore, I'm no longer interested in this Union Gas already because I am surprised that it cannot even maintain the earnings and even drop. So I worry second half 2021, can it still make money or not? So it is not the time for me to be interested in Union Gas. I go for earnings. If you have been here for a long time, you know I go for earning. No earning, no talk. Okay, so therefore Union Gas, for me, 算了吧，算了吧。哦，even the chart was sweet, right? To me is a bounce, technical trade and whatnot. But if the earnings not there, I do not have a strong case to buy. Don't have a strong reason to buy. Okay, I have traded with technical analysis, pure technical analysis before, and I found little success in it. I need the fundamentals. If I don't have the fundamentals, any selling, it can be the next downtrend. Okay, so for this kind of company, you have to be careful, right? So read more information. It has got two catalysts coming up. Okay, now why Union Gas earnings went down? Let me share with you. Union Gas earnings went down because of a higher cost. It was reported in the QR. Can you read higher cost? Now, if this higher cost is removed in the second half of this year, then no problem, earnings can recover. And the other catalyst is that land in Tuas. They have plans to transform it into a business generating venture. So it is still under review. I believe review should be out in September. Okay, I speculate. Purely based on my speculation, from my experience, usually 6 months review will be out unless it takes longer. Okay, so that is my take on Union Gas. Come next stock. iFast iFast I also sold mine. I also locked in the profit. Okay, so iFast earnings disappoint. It also didn't register growth. Can you see? It also didn't register growth. Now you see, whatever I shared with you all these years, okay, I have to keep to it because it works for me in the past and it will work for me in the future. Therefore, earnings to me is important. For a company that reported slower growth, I need to be aware already. Because if it drags on to the second half, then the share price can be punished. iFast is a very strong growth stock. So for it to miss one half, I think is still okay. But 1 quarter, sorry, not 1 half. 1 quarter is okay. So third quarter must see comes up. If it cannot, then we have a problem. Okay, so business risks and all that, we are still looking for the catalyst. iFast, how the next quarter can do. Basically, right now, that piece of information is still unknown. So we need to wait for more news information about the Q3 to come out. Then we will know, whether can we make sense of a better Q3, improve earnings. If don't improve earnings, this could be the start. See, drop 1 star already, no? It was a 3-star stock. iFast was a 3-star stock. Now only left 2 star. Later left 1 star base. So therefore, protect yourself. Okay. So based on the chart wise, I do not see any BIC yet. Okay, I do not see any BIC yet. That is selling candle, and right now trading sideways. No buying candle at all at iFast. So therefore, buyers not in place. I will just wait outside. Okay, so when I see BIC again, then I'll be back. You take a look at iFast, you can see very clearly $8 is the support. Okay, $8. Okay, we have about 320 of you. So I'm going to share the catalyst, what will trigger all the stocks to go down this week, which is Friday. Okay, listen up. Friday is a big risk event because Jerome Powell is going to issue a press conference after his Jackson Hole meeting. From the looks of it, guys, the last FOMC meeting, they are already talking about tapering, okay, which is the support for the economy, and the economy data, okay, is all positive right now. Even jobs are also quite good, quite strong in US. So there is a high chance that he is going to be hawkish and the market will not like it. Okay, so all these fast growth companies are at risk. So you have to take precaution. Now, how do you take precaution? You have to do risk management, reduce your exposure to the market, hold some, sell some, so that you can go into Friday comfortably. Don't be too heavy into Friday. If really is hawkish, stock market drop, then you know where to run. Also, that is the risk you have to understand. Now, all those stocks, okay, let me share with you the market strength index. Now, this is the market strength index. Now, this SGX strength index, I need to highlight, it is not the STI. It is not the 30 component stock. This SGX strength index is the tracking of the top movers, those 200, 300 of them that are moving with volume. So we are tracking these stocks with high participation by the retail investors. So where it goes is important. If most of the stocks are going higher and higher and higher, you will see this index go higher and higher and higher. If all of them are coming lower and lower and lower, you will see this coming lower and lower and lower. So what happened over the whole August? It is coming lower and lower and lower. Okay, so currently based on today, it has a bounce. Okay, can it continue to bounce? If it continue to bounce, what do you expect? Now, chances are September, October, you are going to see a market low. Okay, we can go higher first before the pullback, imminent pullback happens, because it is post-season. Post-season, you don't see a lot of opportunities. Stocks will start to trade sideways, will start to consolidate. That is the norm for September and October market, okay, based on statistics. So right now, we can see market share index bouncing up. Now, take a look at this, 16th of August. Didn't it also bounce up one day? Subsequently, come lower and now bounce again. So even if it goes higher, right, you check your stocks. If your stocks are not exhibiting BIC chart, it's not exhibiting long white candles, something is wrong. It could be a meow meow bounce. Do you know what's a meow meow bounce, guys? Meow meow bounce. Let me test you. I think it's very obvious, right? Meow meow bounce. What is meow meow bounce? Or it could be a bounce that lead to a lower high. Dead cat bounce, that's right. Or it could be a cat bounce. No need to be dead lah. It can be a cat bounce. So watch for it. Now, if it really crashes below, okay, if it really cannot hold this low, which is my 30%, if it crashes below, you wait at this May low. Now, guys, okay, based on my statistics, okay, I'm talking about probability here. The year low will always be tested minimum 2 times and 3 times. 2 times or 3 times. So right now we are almost there for the second time. So if we can test September, October at this level for the second time this year, where my cursor is, that could be the low that you can sapu stock. That means that could be the low that you can pick up stocks. Now, what stocks to pick up? You know my favorite. Okay, I'll go for high ranking stocks, and also look out for BIC. Usually when the stock pulls back to touch this level, there will be BIC. Okay, there will be BIC chart. So that is where you start to be active, and along the way, look out for BIC chart, buy them. Very, very simple. So you see, if you have got rules governing your stock selection, your entry rules, then trading is not difficult. It is difficult. How is trading and investment difficult? It is difficult when you are trading every single stock, every single setup, every single technical play, chasing after stock. It will become very tiring. It will be a money-losing affair, and it will not be successful. Agree with me? If you agree with me, hit the like button. Now, how do I know? Because I have been there before. Last time, whatever move trade, breakout trade, support also buy, moving average bounce also buy, stochastic oversold, hammer pattern buy. Everything you trade, confirm you very mess up. Confirm you blur. Wow, don't know what works in the market anymore. Correct or not? 有没有讲中你的心事? Did I hit the nail on the head? Have, right? Okay. Yes. Okay. So tonight you come here or every week I remind you, stick to what you know. Okay. And then you will see better performance. Okay. So this is iFast. Okay. Like I said, we wait for it. Right. Next stop. Let me see. Okay. Wilma from Raymond over at YouTube. Let's talk about Wilma. Tonight we got a lot of time. Tonight we have a lot of time. So we will slowly, no rush. Slowly we look at the stocks and then we really hunt for the good one. Ayo, Wilma, so bad. Okay, even reporting better earnings doesn't save Wilma. You see, Wilma ranking is very high. Something is wrong with this stock. Okay, something is wrong with this stock. You see, the last time it pulls back on the downtrend, right? Quickly it can recover. So I was waiting for this scenario to play out right here, but it didn't happen. So it continued to drag lower. So guys, this is the support level for Wilma, below $4. Since it's at 420, I think a good chance it will come and test this $4. Okay, so once it tests $4, then we see whether got BIC or not. You can see the chart, totally got no BIC. We keep things simple. No BIC, no need to consider. Correct or not? No BIC, no need to consider. Okay, so now at this Wilma, I think it is going to continue to come down because there is no BIC. And when to buy Wilma? Okay, I will wait for this downtrend line to be broken. Okay, it has got a very obvious downtrend line. I'm going to set my downtrend line to first Saturday of the month, 9th of October. Click apply, become orange color, right? And then we connect nicely the highs. We connect nicely. There you go. Okay, so what this orange line do for me is when Wilma trade up and break the orange line, we look out for BIC. If there is BIC, then it is a setup to trade. I repeat again, those of you who are interested in Wilma, okay, interested in, actually Wilma, how many of you interested? If you're interested in Wilma, comment Wilma. Let me see. WILMAR. Let me see how many of you. IPO call off for Wilma. Indian authorities not allowed. Okay. Wow, IPO call off only money. So serious, man. It's still a money-making company, what? First of all, Wilma did not rally because of the IPO. Okay, Wilma did not rally because of, why so many of you interested in Wilma? Sick for, you guys know good stock, know how to appreciate good stock. Oh, not bad. Okay, since you're interested in Wilma, I will share a little bit more about Wilma. Okay, so Wilma, we want to see it break this downtrend line with BIC. Okay, so I'm going to use my recent trade of that strategy, breaking of downtrend line, to show you how it works on Franken. Franken, I did it on, this one is trade secret, cannot show you. Okay, that is the take profit rule. Last time we have a session with the members, so I was showing them how to do it. Okay, so this is Franken. We go to the hourly chart at 180. There you go. 180. There you go, right here. Okay, so this is Franken. Okay, this is Franken. Okay, this one I don't need anymore, so I'm not going to set. So you can see the downtrend, right? Hit one time, two times, and then before it break out. So on Wilma, you want to see it break this downtrend line with very strong volume, and then you watch the pullback. It must come with low volume and BIC. Now, once you see it upon the next run, that is the time to buy Wilma. So don't buy Wilma immediately after it break the downtrend line. No. Also, you don't buy Wilma when it break the downtrend line at the first attempt. Oh, no need. You wait for it to break, pull back, you see BIC, that is the best time to buy Wilma. Okay, everybody understand? Let me see the reverse tone. I think reverse tone also have that signal when we bought it last round in July. Yeah. Okay, yeah, here also got, okay, reverse tone on the daily chart also got. So this is the downtrend line. Okay, the downtrend line on reverse tone. Okay, so it hit, then it can go down, right? This is what happened to reverse tone, guys. You see, very strong white candle break upwards of this downtrend line, and then it pull back. Can you see the BIC on reverse tone? This is the reversal that we want to see on Wilmar before we buy. Okay, before we buy. So everybody clear? If you are clear, hit the like button so that I know you receive what I share with you. Very simple, huh? My method very simple, right? Simplicity works. Complicated is interesting. Okay, thank you very much for the likes. Okay, so that is for Wilmar. Let's see what else do we have. Thai beverage. Wow, all these I long time never touch one, because it's not trending up. Yeah, Thai beverage, you're interested. I don't find it very exciting, Thai beverage. Okay, it has the IPO, but it is postponed because of what is happening in Thailand. So I think so long Thailand is as it is now, very little incentive for Thai beverage to rally, okay, in my opinion. And you can see the ranking, right? It doesn't have any single star. So I want to focus on those 3 or 4 star. So this one no star, I will skip. Okay, and then you can take a look at the chart. Do you see BIC? I do see white candle high volume coming in. Okay, but I also see selling with high volume. So it's a mixed bag, right now for Thai beverage. It's a mixed bag. I don't see anything bullish about Thai beverage yet. Okay, but okay, on the weekly chart though, you pay attention to this candle. Okay, if Thai beverage can trade above 70 cents, then you come and tell me again. Then it is time to get interested in Thai beverage. If this 70 cent hold as a resistance, then really nothing interesting in Thai beverage yet. Okay, you can see the whole year not doing anything. You see this whole year, right? Oh, sorry. This whole year, why the chart is not whole year, sorry. This whole range since before COVID, before COVID until 2021, 2018 until 2021, it is trading in between 84 cents and 52 cents. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Okay, now during this time, right, you see Grand Venture. If your money is in Grand Venture, you chill BB, your Chinese New Year come early. Can you see? 30 cents to 130. So instead of putting your money at rest in a stock that is not moving up much, okay, why don't you put in a strong stock like Grand Venture? See, instead of putting your money in Thai beverage, which has got no star, this Grand Venture 3 star. You follow what I'm saying? So what you want to do is to join me, follow me, look for 3 star, 4 star stock. Okay, 3 star, 4 star stock, then you will see, wow, stock can fly one. 原来 stock can fly one, All these 3 star, 4 star stock like iFast used to be a 3 star stock. Fly. Can you see? Fly. Union Gas, last time before the earnings start to deteriorate, okay, it also flies. Okay, it used to have star. It used to have star. Because of the earnings, last 2 earnings all cannot make it. You can see the earnings keep dropping. So the star disappeared. Before that, it has got star. Right now, no star. That is why I say, I am not very confident of the earnings of Union Gas anymore. You come to my webinar last year, I tell you Union Gas is one of the hot favorite, always discussed. Okay, so I hope this gives you an idea that, you can check the ranking. With the ranking, you will be able to know, are you looking at the right stock or not? So let's see, APEC Realty. Okay, property stock, APEC Realty. Now, a lot of people, you see, 4 star. Guys, can you see? 4 star, you take a look at the trend. This star is not the trend. This star this ranking star is the earnings. If the earnings of this company is strong and trendy, then what you're looking at will naturally be an uptrending stock. So APEC has got 4 star. If you go to Propnex, there's only 2 of them in Singapore, APEC and Propnex. So you go to Propnex, 3 star. You take a look at it. You take a look at the chart. You take a look at the chart. Can you see now, guys? Is this ranking very useful for you before you decide the stock? Yes or no? If yes, comment yes. Come on. Then I have a good news to share with everybody. comment yes if you think this ranking is very useful, very useful for you to avoid lousy stock. I see all the familiar name. 赛啦，哦，还好啦，还可以啦，志远，还可以。Okay, great. That's why they say, birds of the same feather flock together. No wonder you are here tonight, because you and me, we have an affinity. All of us heroes see the same thing. This is very easy to use, very important to see. Now, here comes the good news. The good news is, remember where are we? We are at Charts Nexus, correct? Not Chart Nexus, right? We not usually for the last 15, 14, 16 years, we have a downloadable software. For those of you who are new to Chart Nexus, you may not even know. Okay, but if you are an existing user, I have a good news for you. The all new Chart Nexus chart is no longer an installation chart. It is a web-based chart now. Look at this, introducing the all new CNX chart. So whether you are old user, new user, okay, and you don't have chart to use, come to chartnexus.com, go to the first tab over here, you click on it, it will launch the HTML5 chart, our new chart, web-based Chart Nexus chart, where you can draw, you can save, you can draw the lines, you can save, you can have FA information, you can have a lot of other features in this brand new chart. Okay, you can see you have a live alerts as well, candlestick all these on the right hand side. Okay, you can choose the exchange. It comes with all these exchange. Okay, and the left hand side is the codes. Okay, the code. So this is a delayed feed chart. Okay, a delayed feed chart. So we have got a lot of feature right here. So you can come and explore this chart. Okay, you can come and explore this chart. So it is, the good news is it is free, guys. It is free. So those of you who do not have chart, or you're still using the old software, go and check this out. Okay, my assistant already pinned up the link at the comments field. Okay, so go and use it. If you like it, share this good news with your friends, get them to use. Okay, so end of advertisement. Let's come back to the stock. Okay, like prop next. Let's go back to APAC Realty. Okay, let's come back to APAC Realty. So APAC Realty, we have got this BIC now. You need to know the stock that you're trading, remember? So once you see this BIC, my question to you is, APAC Realty earnings is already out. Okay, and if you want to trade APAC Realty and Propnex, guys, okay, you have to pay attention to the housing data of Singapore. Their business is very easy to understand. All you need to do is to track the residential sales, commercial sales properties in Singapore. I have it in my tab always, getting ready to read the information published by URA every single quarter, every single month. Okay, I am tracking how many are they selling. Okay, price index is not important. Yeah, price index is not important. Okay, you can also ask Jamie. If you are not sure, you can ask Jamie. Hey, hi, can I buy a bag? Okay, 开玩笑. Oh shit, how do I close this? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, Jamie cannot close already. Shit. Okay, right, come back to this. So price is not important. What you want is a transaction number, guys. Transaction number of units. So Q2 already over. If you buy APAC, if you buy Propnex, you are looking at Q3 earnings. Okay, Q3 earnings. So Q3 earnings, you can find out from, okay, July results is already out. The housing, the resale market and the new launch very strong, thanks to Pasir Ris 8. Even the new launch of other new launch that has been in the market for a long time, like Key Residences, you have got Sengkang Residences. Sengkang, that one is Sengkang Grand Residences, and then you have got Normanton Park. Park Clementi's, all these are new launches are all moved together because Pasir Ris 8 is almost sold out. So the price went up like crazy. So it causes this FOMO in a lot of new launch buyers. So July, housing resale is also strong. HDB is also strong. New launch is also strong. So July numbers see very good. Now it's August. August data, you will only know in September they will publish. So if you track these 2 months, you need to track the number, you add it up together, and you go to the September one, you add it up together. You will know how Q3 the number is. And because APEC and Propnex are doing commission sales, then you will be able to estimate, oh, so much sales, so their revenue, their earnings going to be better or going to be worse. So that is one way to look at it. Okay, so that is how we do it. Okay, so this one not important. We close it. Also, APEC, based on the chart, you go to the weekly chart. I don't like this, guys. I don't like this. This is what is this, guys? Can anybody tell me what is this? Oh, yes, Leo is right. You need to pay attention to cooling measures as well. So if they announce cooling measures, 1 ton, okay, APEC, Propnex, all will come down. So you have to trade on this fine line as well. 走钢丝线, in Chinese we call it walking on the wire, living by the edge. If you are trading this APEC and Propnex, you have to be careful of Desmond Lee, because if he tells you it's coming out cooling measure, habis. Okay. Okay, so this is shooting star, guys. You are right. Shooting star on the weekly chart, we must respect. Okay, because the bigger time frame weekly chart is usually signaling the bigger turn in the chart. So if you see a shooting star, you watch out. If it close lower, run for your life, because it may lead to lower price. Okay, it may lead to lower price. So therefore, when you see a shooting star, wow, be very, very careful. So you have APEC with the shooting star. Okay, now if you don't look at the weekly chart, right, based on the daily chart, you think that, oh, it's bouncing, no problem. Don't forget, this is only Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, later by Friday, got some back down, right? You have your wish come true. You have your shooting star wish come true. It gives you a black candle if it close by Friday at 84 cents. Okay, Propnex is also the same. Propnex, we go to Propnex, you go to the weekly chart. Is this the weekly chart of Propnex? Oh, so it's not as ugly as APEC. Okay, now Propnex on the weekly chart, I also don't see any buying at all. Okay, versus what I shaded here and shaded here, guys. This is the easiest time to trade Propnex. Take a look at this, guys. 不要眨眼, okay, can you see shooting star? After that, it pull back on lower volume before return of buyers. This is the setup that I like to use to trade. Okay, so if you fast forward to this, you will see the same setup happening here and here. Okay, so this is the highly dependable setup that I like to trade. When I see this, okay, then I will be able to trade with confidence. Right now, do you see it? You tell me. If you see it, you comment yes. If you don't see it, you comment no. Do you see it? This highly dependable pattern. If you see it, comment yes. If you don't see it, comment no. No. Okay, very good. Most of you replied no. Okay. If you don't see it, guys, the natural thing to do is to wait. Okay. You don't need to guess the low. You need to guess the bottom, because if you have done it before, you will understand how it feels. Guessing bottom, guessing low, you buy, it only goes lower. Why? Because the buyers are not in control. Okay, that is why it goes lower. Come, now let me show you what is buyer in control. Now, how many of you are new to webinar, new to me? My name is Yi Hua. How many of you are new to me? If you are new to me, comment yes. Comment yes. If you are new to this webinar, comment new. Sorry, not yes, you comment new. NEW, so that I know you are new, and then I can explain this BIC pattern to you. Okay, if you are new, comment new. Now at this stage, I am able to guess, members will start to disturb and comment new also. Usually they like to do that, very naughty. Today new. See, I knew it. You will put new. Okay. Thomas Wong also. Member also put new. See? All these say DT new. New. Also, some of you I recognize as members. Okay. Those of you who are not members, I see quite a lot of you are non-members and new. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm going to show you what is BIC chart. So wait, BIC chart. Let me show you the first example. GKE. Okay, GKE on the daily chart. Okay, now what is important is, are you impressed by this rally? Now, if you're impressed by this rally up from 134 to 176, in order for you to catch the next one, right, you must understand what has gone on over here during the consolidation. Now you see stock chart, right? It can either go uptrend or it can go to consolidation, sideways, or it can go downtrend. So there's only three directions the stock can go, guys. Downtrend or uptrend or sideways. Okay, so during this movement, like for example, an uptrending stock, okay, uptrend stock, it can either pull back. Now, when you see the stock pull back lower in price, this is called a pullback, or it can also go up and then trade sideways. Okay, or it can trade in a range before the uptrend resumes, just like what you see in GKE. Okay, it is very rare you see a stock very nicely symmetrically keep going up like this. This one only happened in fairy tale, okay, Beauty and the Beast fairy tale book. Otherwise, usually it is so messed up like this, but it is still an uptrend. Okay, so during this consolidation, you want to know who is in control. If you see buyers in control, okay, if you see buyers in control, BIC equals to buyers in control. Okay, I'm going to leave it up here because usually people always ask what is BIC, and when they come in late. And the worst part, you know what's the worst part? The worst part is my English. They will ask what is VIC? V for Victoria, VIC. Actually, I said BIC. Oh. Britain, India, China, BIC, buyers in control. So how do you see buyers in control? Okay, I'm going to move this down here so that it's easier to see. Okay, during a consolidation, how do we know this is bullish and it can go up? You check. Okay, wait, before I do that. Now, this is the pullback. So whatever happened here is no longer important or relevant. So what you want to do is to focus right here where my cursor is. So I'm going to zoom in right here. Okay, just before it flew up. Now, those of you who are new to chart reading, now over the next 3 minutes, I just need 3 minutes. I explain to you how to read chart. Immediately you will eureka. Oh, 原来是这样. Oh, very simple. First of all, this is called a candlestick chart. Candlestick chart got white and black. Now, very simple. White candle means buying. Black candle means people are selling. I repeat. When you see white candle, means people are buying. When you see black candle, means people are selling. When you see a black candle very long, it means a lot of people are selling. When you see white candle very long, a lot of people are buying. Simple or not? See, I make it so simple that anyone can do this. Okay, so now you know what is white and black. The next thing is this red and green. Red and green are transaction volume. Now, every day shares exchange hands between buyer and seller. So on certain day, you will see very high transaction volume, like this day, 20 million transacted. And then there are days, transaction volume are so low, 2.5 million. So the smart question here is, why are there days where transaction volume is 20 million and then scarcely can drop to 2 million? What's going on? Correct or not? Have you ever asked this question? Why certain days so hot, the stock so hot? Why certain days the stock go quiet? This is the secret. This is the secret. You listen to my explanation, it will do you wonders. Now, whenever you open up a chart, like how I showed you just now, you take a look at this period. You focus first on the high transaction volume days. You repeat, you understand? High volume transaction day. Because these are the days most shares exchange hands. Make sense to you? Most shares exchange hands. So when most shares exchange hands, you look up, you check the candle. If you see white candle, 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 just now I tell you what white candle means what? White candle means more people are buying, right or not? So in this view itself, you can see that whenever there is high volume number of shares exchange hands, what you saw on the chart is people are buying. You get the idea now? People are buying. Hey, as you listen along, if you got nothing to do, you like what you're hearing, right? Excited, you click the like button, so I can have some animation on the chart, more beautiful, the chart. Okay, so you have people buying. So your next question is, what about selling? Are there people selling the stock? You look at the black candle. Look at the black candle. Can you see a transaction volume is so much lower than when people are buying? Can you see? So this is the legendary BIC chart. If you see a BIC chart, okay, this is expected. You will be able to see the stock move higher. So therefore, the next time when you look at a chart, if you see BIC, you should be excited. Okay, because it has a probability, a high probability that the chart is going to swing up. Okay, it's going to swing up. So this is just one example, GKE. Now I'm going to show you more example because seeing is believing. Okay, nano firm, just now I explained to you, before it fly up, okay, what we want to know is before it fly up. So nano firm went up, came down. You must know how to read trend. It went up uptrend, it pulled back. This is called pullback. And then it went up in a mini uptrend. There's 3 wave up, and then it pulled back sharply before it went up and then consolidated. Can you see? It is only here that you should be interested because it went up and then it consolidated narrowly before the breakout happened. So if you want to enjoy the breakout, you must know what the stock is doing here. Okay, which start at this point. Can you see the BIC? If you can see the BIC, comment yes. Comment yes. 很好玩哦, very fun, very easy, right? I got more example to show you that it works, guys, so that you know what to look for. Okay, then I will summarize for you how to make use of it. It can save you. It can also make you money. Can you see? Yes, right? Very good. Very good. Okay, now, this is nano firm before it flew up, and we have got Sarintech. Sarintech. Okay, Sarintech again flew up, right? It flew up, right? So before it flew up, what is the stock doing? You can see it went up. After that, it pulled back. From this pullback onwards, okay, it needs practice. It needs practice. So you must know where to start to look for. You cannot zoom out like that. You tell me, Yihua, start from where? Here, or here, or here. You need practice. You need practice. So, okay, for this, because I'm used to it, I immediately know where to look for it. Okay, before it flew up, can you see the same BIC pattern happening in Sarintech before the share price fly up? Second stock already, no. Third stock already, no. Okay, the same thing happened in Fortress Minerals before the stock fly up. Before the stock fly up. Okay, so you must know it consolidated sideways before the stock fly up. Can you see the BIC? At the边, over here, and whenever it's consolidating, selling, very low volume. Nobody want to sell. Vocalink purposely, right? VIC or BIC, you purposely, right? I give you a like. 按错, should be like, not love. Like Vocalink. Purposely say I say VIC, right? Victoria IC, right? It's actually BIC. I already explained just now. Okay, so can you see this BIC works in all the above chart? And ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you an even more obvious BIC in Matex. Now, Matex, you may not know what stock is this right now, and in fact, you may know that this is a very lousy stock at the moment. Before it is lousy, it was a very profitable and powerful stock. Last year, during COVID-19, this one stock, right? Okay, it manufacture and sell medical supplies. So when COVID-19 hit, a lot of hospitalization going on, there was a strong demand for medical supplies. So Matex ride that wave, earnings skyrocketed. You can see the earnings skyrocketed. Okay, so now before it flies up, okay, can you see the BIC very obvious in this chart in MATEX? Which means if I bring you over to a time machine back to 2020 May, you will be able to recognize that MATEX is a very good stock to trade. Yes or no? If yes, comment yes. If yes, comment yes, come. Yes or no? If you agree with me, comment yes. Yeah, that's what we are talking about here. Yeah, that's what we are talking about. Right? So you see, guys, if you know how to spot this BIC, right, then all you need to do is to hunt for this setup. If you do not see this setup, what do? Okay, my next question is, if you do not see this setup, what do? Like right now, MATEX, okay, MATEX right now. If you're interested in MATEX right now, if you do not see the setup, what do? You wait, eat wanton mee, eat Mao San Wang, watch Netflix, do whatever you want, just don't commit your funds into this investment. Okay, there are a lot of stock that doesn't have the BIC. Like for example, earlier in the evening we talked about Genting Singapore. You can see it doesn't have the pattern. So if you don't have a pattern, you wait. It also means that you are not risking your money unnecessarily. You only put your money in stock you know has a chance to go up. That makes sense. Yes or no? That makes sense. So therefore, tonight I want to share with you this idea. Okay, that if you want to remain in control and you want to be able to trade successfully, go for a pattern that works and you wait for it and you hunt for it. If you don't see it, you just wait. It will appear. Like for example, MATEX. Back to MATEX again. Okay. Now, let's say you miss it. Okay, you miss it. Ayo, you saw it only at 84 cents. You say, wow, 84 cents, too high to buy already. You don't dare to buy, ma. Correct or not? Okay, you wait for the same pattern to happen. Can you see the pattern happen again, guys? Can you see? Can you see the pattern happen again? So you know exactly what you are waiting for. Okay, you know exactly what you're waiting for. So while last time you used to be guessing, no, you can buy or not, will go out or not. If they buy already, they come down, how you will be worried. Oh, correct, you're right. On the way up, don't touch. Okay, but the second opportunity will appear again. So if you know how to recognize opportunities, over here, can I say you see the same BIC pattern and you can buy? So let's see. Can you see? Very simple, right? Very simple. So that is what I want to share with you. Very simple way to look at it, so that you can benefit from it. There are always second chance. Any other stocks that we have it right now over here? Okay, guys. So now you know how to see the BIC chart. So what we are going to go through is the screening results over here. Okay, this is based on 24th of August. Let me introduce you to this screening results. I've got 3 strategies. Okay, I'm going to show you just one strategy, which is the price pullback, the BIC chart. Okay, let's see. Do we see any BIC chart? You see? Can you see the stock market doesn't have any BIC chart at the moment, guys? Last trading day, no good stock. Okay, let me go to 5 days ago. Okay, 5 days ago, there are some BIC charts, okay, but you can see the stock with the highest quality, 3-star stock, Avaga, Comfort Delgro, So let's take a look at the chart. Avaga, okay, Avaga, you see? I don't even see BIC, Avaga, skip. Comfort Delgro, have or not? I see long black, 小心, I see long black. I don't see the same BIC pattern because of this long black. Skip. No more. CFM, let's try CFM. 1 star only, CFM. Okay, CFM, industry machinery, 1 star. So it is a money losing company. Okay, money losing company. So right now it is up. Also don't know for what reason it's up. So you look at the stock, do you see BIC? I see a sideways trade. Yes, we do see buyers. Oh, you can see this as a selling over here, right? Just selling over here. So the BIC in this stock, it is not very obvious. Even if it have a BIC, it met with selling, it met with selling, it met with selling. You see? So CFM also doesn't qualify. Oxley also don't have. So can you see over the last 5 days, there is no BIC chart anymore. There's no BIC chart anymore. The best time the BIC chart are all in May and June period. Why is that so? Very simple. I share with you the market share index, you will understand. This is where most of the BICs are formed. Just now you saw the GKE lah, Nano lah, all that. They form over May and June period. Okay, and then they rally into July. So right now we are in a falling market. That is why you do not see a lot of BIC chart. And if you don't see a lot of BIC chart from the screener, all you need to do is to wait for it. Okay, now I have got many other strategies. So we've got price pullback, we've got Trendmaster V3. Okay, I'm going to share more results with you, and then let's put to practice what we have learned and see whether it works or not. Okay, can we see any good stocks to talk about tonight now? Okay, so these are the list of stocks. Okay, let's go. Price chart. So together, guys, you and me together. But okay, let me put this up front first. We are looking at this market strength index, possible to come down in September, October. So any BIC chart, make sure we have the industry, we have the ranking with us. 3 star, 4 star. Okay, so let's go. APEC Realty first. Okay. APEC Realty, okay, get rid of the market rate, we don't need it. Now, APEC Realty, I went through great lengths to share with you. Once you see this chart, we do see the BIC pattern, but once you switch to the weekly chart, you have a big warning sign on the weekly chart. So this stock has got selling on the weekly chart, skip. Okay, AIMS. This is a REITs. Okay, this is a REIT, so it is at the high side. REITs is best to consume when the yield is high. So let's check the yield. Yield is about 5.1%. Okay, 5.1%. If you can make do with 5.1% yield, APEC AIMS is now giving you 5.1%. Okay, 5.1%. So otherwise, you can wait for it to come lower. Since we're at REITs, let me share with you my idea of buying REITs. Okay, buying REITs, right? September, October period, that will be a low to look at REITs. Because you know why? Generally, stock market will come down in September and October. High chance, most of the time. So when that happens, it has got nothing to do with the fundamentals of REITs. They still collect the rent. It's just that because the whole market is weak, REIT is pulled down as well. So if you are interested to buy REITs, that is the time to go and buy your favorite REITs. Okay, so that's one clue for you. Ascender's not interested. All these are REITs. You can see there is no stock, there is no proper stock like your Yang Zhijiang lah, Franken, all that not coming up. Wait, Franken come out already. Let's take a look at Franken. Okay, Franken today and yesterday I was looking at it. So if you are on my voice memo on Telegram, you know I'm looking at it. What I don't like about Franken is despite Nasdaq is up 2 consecutive sessions, Friday and Monday, semiconductors are up, AMD is up, Taiwan Semiconductor is up, Nvidia is up. Franken still don't want to go up is a concern. You follow me? So you can see there is long upper tail coming out on the daily chart. So it doesn't look really good on the daily chart. On the weekly chart, okay, good thing is the volume over here is not very high. Okay, it's not very high, but it is still not the best looking chart for Franken. It could lead to possible continuation of this consolidation. Ranking wise, 3 star. So Franken is indeed one of the stock I am interested to buy back because I have also sold my Franken already. Okay, lock in the profit. Now let's see. When market is strong, you have got fat profit. You don't take, you leave it in the market. If Biden make one wrong move, say one wrong thing, Powell say one wrong thing, market pull back your profit, 见财化水. So therefore, I have always like to sell when I see weakness. Okay, so Franken also I lock in my profit already for all. So this is do you see the BIC? Okay, do you see the BIC? Now I don't see the BIC as obvious as previous time. Okay, so therefore this is still at the high. This is the all-time high, so buying at the all-time high is very, very uncomfortable, and the next catalyst is in November, so I will wait. Okay, I will wait for lower price. So this one doesn't qualify, so let's go to the next one. Let's see, let's do a quick one and see, do we see BIC chart? Okay, you see this high volume, right? But it is black candle. Black candle means what, guys? Let me test you. See, are you following or not? Black candle high volume means what? Selling, Jeff New, selling. Everybody know, okay, so it is selling. Okay, it is selling. So you can see that there are black candle high volume, it means it is selling. So you must not touch this when you see selling. It's not BIC. Okay, Capricorn. Capricorn, I reserve my comments. Okay, because this is a Traders Club stock. I reserve my comments. Prop next, we talked about it already. The hourglass. Okay, the hourglass, do we see BIC? Now guys, you can see there is high volume, but you can also see high volume in the selling candle. So for me, BIC on hourglass is not obvious. It's not obvious. Okay, you go to the weekly chart, you will not be able to see a very obvious BIC chart. So skip. So you do this for the rest of the stock. 3 more stock I do together with you. UMS. Okay. On the weekly chart, UMS last week has got a high volume black candle. High volume black candle. It is not bullish at all. So if the weekly chart is not bullish, it is safer to give it a miss. Okay. So you see, every day, all you need to do is to come into this list and you look for the BIC chart. If you don't see the BIC chart, what do you do, guys? Like right today, based on 24th of August, we screen the stock market. We don't see the BIC chart. What do you do? What should you do? PME, this vocalizing is very naughty. Wait. Correct. You are right. All you guys are smart trader. You know when you don't see the BIC chart, you should wait because you saw how well it works. When you see BIC chart, it means that it's ready to fly up. So all you need to do is to hunt for them. You don't see, you just wait. Then how can trading be difficult? How can investment be difficult? Okay, so you will not be confused by the stock market. Well done, guys. Okay, let me summarize tonight's session together with you. Now, this is my stock investment blueprint. Okay, so every day, any investor go to the stock market will ask 3 questions. What to buy, when to buy, and when to sell. Okay, so when you go and find your BIC chart, you spotted one BIC chart. Okay, you must still go and confirm the industry theme and the catalyst. Does the stock have a reason to go up? You cannot purely see BIC chart and you buy. Okay, so what is the possible catalyst we are talking about? It could be earnings, there could be a merger of acquisition, or there could be contract wins. Okay, contract wins. Now, one company in Singapore recently keep getting contract win. Who? Yang Zhijiang, no? Yang Zhijiang order book, almost every single month for the whole year, keep winning contract until to the tune of 6 to 8 billion US dollar of order book. No, it is a record high for their order book. So that is a catalyst why Yang Zhejiang can go up, guys. You see, so seeing BIC chart alone is not the only thing. You need to know the catalyst for the stock, and also industry team. Currently, with we just heard Vice President, how to pronounce her name? Alamak. Sorry. Harris, Vice President Harris from US. Even in the press conference, she talked about the chip shortage, semiconductor. So this industry team is very strong at the moment. So every quarter, every month, every week, you need to go and sniff out which industry is in play. Like previously, we have got Fortress Mineral because the steel prices are rocketing high, and that is how we make money from the Fortress Mineral. And then we have got GKE, earnings play, and we have got Nanofirm. Before it come crashing down, Nanofirm joint venture with Temasek, $140 million project. Okay, so these are what we call catalysts. So today, if you have got a lot of stocks stuck in your CDB account, your portfolio, you go and check every single one of your stock. What is the catalyst? Is there any reason this stock can go up or not? If you cannot answer this question, guys, it means that the stock will not go up. Very simple. Okay, the stock got no reason to go up, so it cannot go up. So if there's no catalyst, you know that it can go up. Then you must check the earnings already. You check the ranking. You use my software, you check the ranking. It must be 3-star, 4-star. Then at least you are playing earnings. So if the earnings comes in better and better every quarter, your stock can go up. Otherwise, you may need to consolidate what you have to raise cash, and then you go and buy those stocks that has got a higher ranking and also got catalyst to go up. Okay, so that is the whole stock investment blueprint. I find this very, very important because a lot of people jump straight to the chart. CapitaLand also can buy DBS, City Development, High Flux, NOL, Noble Group, based on TA, just buy SingPost, SMRT. Why people lose money? No BIC still buy, SPH. No BIC still buy. That's why you're trapped. Very simple. Okay, so remember BIC plus your catalyst, this is your winning formula. And when to sell, later I tell you where to find out where to sell. Okay, so do you find this important? Is this helpful to you? If it is helpful to you, please help me click the like button. Okay, especially participant over at YouTube, your clicking of the like button can help my channel gain more popularity over at YouTube, and I thank you in advance. Let's go. So who is this voice behind the screen? My name is Yihua, Director of Chart Nexus. Okay, so many years ago, when I first started trading, I am stuck in the first 3 stages. You know for how long? For 3 long years. These 3 long years, no matter how hard I try, I just couldn't get my trading to work. I can win some, I will lose some. Very frustrating. So today, if you are in these first 3 stages, you are not alone. Once upon a time, I was there. It took me 3 years to go to stage 4, where I'm beginning to know how to look for stocks and how to buy them at the right price in order to make consistent profit. Okay, that is how long it took me 3 years. So if today you are taking longer than 3 years, okay, your only shortcut, you can have one shortcut, that is to join me directly at the stage 4. Okay, using my trading plan, then you will save yourself 3 years. So if you want to save yourself the 3 years or even more, if you cannot find what works in the stock market, even more, then you are wasting your time. Okay, so today you have a chance to directly join me at the stage 4. So I want to introduce you to my trading performance first. Okay, because as your mentor to be, I need to show you what I know and how's my performance, so that you have the confidence to listen to me and believe that this BIC thing works for you. Now today, if I never explain this BIC to you, you may not know, hey, so BIC looks like this. Oh, this kind of chart, you never thought about it before. You are always looking at CapitaLand. You are always waiting for the Edge magazine to give you one stock to buy, or hunting around what other people are buying, or calling a broker. Now, call broker is a bad idea. You know why? Because It's just like going to the barber. You go to the barber, you ask, hey, my hair long or not? Do I need a haircut or not? Your barber sure say yes or not. Cut a bit, $5 also good, man. Also, you must do your own homework. So tonight you saw on the charts, okay, I shared with you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stocks. GKE, Nanofirm, Sarintech, Fortress Mineral, Matex, all of them before they fly, all of them has the BIC pattern. So you learn this, it will serve you well for the rest of your life. So this is the cumulative realized P&L. I just updated just now, okay, because I squared off a lot of my position last week, so I topped it up, and then this is how it looks like right now. It is still on the way up in a beautiful uptrend. Currently, it is up about 90, I think it's 92,000, okay, 92,000, and looks set to break my all-time high. So it started in June 2020. I started to track this equity curve. I started with a base of 250,000. So realized gain is about 92,000. I forgot the number. Okay, so this is my realized profit. And what I want to share with you, just based on this equity chart, is now there isn't anyone, okay, it will not be a straight line up. That means you won't expect to keep making money one straight line up every month, make money. No, there will be times the stock market is just not favorable, and that is the time you need to protect yourself. So today, if you are trading in the stock market, no, everybody can make money when the time is good. When the stock market is bullish, favorable, everybody can make money. The challenge is when the market is bad, you know or not? So what usually most of the losers did is when the market is good, they make money. When the market is bad, they start to lose back all their gains to the stock market. Just like what I did for that 3 years. Okay, so what I did over here is very simple. Market is good, make money. Market no good, wait. Market is good, make money. Market no good, wait. Market is good, make money. Market no good, wait. As I keep on accumulating more and more profits going up. That is how I do it. So how did I do this? Very simple. You already answered just now. I look for the chart I know will work. I don't simply go in every single week, I must buy something. Every single day, I must trade something. I don't do that. Okay, I have stopped doing that for a long time already because that doesn't work. If it doesn't work for me, I'm being honest with you. I share with you so that if today you're still trying, okay, you are maybe going the wrong path. Okay, so if I have helped you with this particular statement, eureka moment, oh yeah, no wonder I've been struggling. Give me a like because I am there before. I know how it feels. Okay, so you must know how to protect yourself. Now, how do you protect yourself? Simple. Go for BIC chart. Follow me. Trade only charts that we know will work. When the going is bad, guys, there will be no BIC chart, just like what you see over the last 2 weeks. If you are here last week, right, plus this week, you will see there isn't a lot of opportunity. But if you are here in the July-June period, wow, there are Nanofirm lah, there's GKE lah, ISDN lah, Franken lah, so many opportunities to trade. Also, that time is over. The next moment where there are a lot of BIC chart is 1 to 2 months time down the road. So this is the best time to learn. And then you join me, we hunt them down over the next 2 months. Okay, so that is the cumulative. And this is the introduction to my SGX mentorship program. I will take about 15 minutes to show you what I can help you with. So I start with the fundamental analysis. In this program, you will learn 2 methods. Okay, not 2 methods, 2 studies. Number 1, fundamental. Number 2, technical. So under fundamental analysis, I will tell you how to spot growth stocks. Okay, how to decipher their QR and then find sector in play. So once you take care of this, you will answer the question what to buy. Now, when you go to the technical analysis, this is where we want to look for the entry and the exit. Okay, so in the technical analysis portion, you will learn about entry rules and trading levels, and you will also learn about sell rules, how to protect your profit, how to cut when you are wrong. Now, I cannot be right all the time. There are times I will be wrong. Okay, so we must protect ourselves. If not, my equity curve will be going up, down, up, down. It is on the way up. It's because I'm willing to cut my losses fast and I ride on my profit. Okay, so you will learn all these multi-time frame and also price action trading. BIC is just the type of chart. The actual professional name for it is called price action trading. So your ability to read candle with the transaction volume will tell you the story whether this stock is under accumulation or under distribution. So this is very important. Under accumulation means you are buying before the breakout happens. If you are buying distribution, if you cannot recognize distribution, you will be buying when people are selling. So this is very important. Now, under the mentorship, this is very special. Not a lot of programs out there offer a very close mentorship like I do, because I trade my own money. Every single day, I am in the stock market together with you. So I have 3 support channels to help you. Number 1, I have this Earn As You Learn broadcast. I will also be conducting weekly training webinars every Monday evening to prepare you for the coming week. What is the risk this week? What are the stocks we should be looking for? What is the likely direction of the market this week? So every Monday, we need to prepare for the trading week. And the daily market commentary is the place and opportunity where you can ask me questions. From the training, if you do not understand, or from the learning broadcast, you do not understand, daily market commentary is an opportunity to ask the question. So I'm going to show you the different support channel and how you can use them to learn. Okay, like this Singapore Online Mentorship Group is the Earn As You Learn broadcast. So over here, I'm showing you Franken. Okay, 1 month ago, Franken 180. Can you see the BIC chart? Can you see the BIC chart? So at that point in time, I saw the BIC chart. I already teach the members how to do it, but I am quite sure new members may not be able to spot by themselves. So out of care, love, and concern, I want to share this good chart with the members. So you see what this Earn As You Learn come about is because whenever I see good chart that qualify our entry rules, I will share with you. You make your decision whether you want to learn or you want to earn. That is Earn As You Learn. Okay, so we have got Franken and we have got Riverstone, the same BIC chart. Can you see? So when you are new, you join. If you are worried that you cannot follow, cannot catch the stocks that you have learned, this Earn As You Learn broadcast can help you. Okay, Riverstone, ISDN, Q&M. So those are all 1 month ago. Okay, and then I will share with you my market thoughts. Is there any danger coming up? Okay, market moving news like Capital Corp buying up SPH, Yang Zhejiang 142. Okay, 142. This is, you don't see this as a BIC, but this is price action trading. Okay, you do see the long white candle coming in. Can you see with high volume? And then the pierce of the downtrend line. Just now I was talking to you about how to trade Wilma, right? So this is what happens there. 142 Yang Zhejiang. All right, and then this is where when I sell, okay, I will also explain and share with everybody. Like I'm locking in my profit on iFast, Nanofirm I'm cutting, locking in my profit on Union Gas, Franken lock in profit, Yang Zhejiang lock in profit. Okay, and Capital Corp is our latest target. Okay, latest target and an update on the market share index. So you can see every single day, week, you will be guided very closely so that our trading plan is in sync. We know what we are looking for, and we trade as a community. We look out for each other. If there's any news, any earnings pop up, members will be sharing at the members area. Later I'll show you. Okay, so this is Capital Corp 10 hours ago, which is today. Can you see the BIC? Also see, if you miss it, right? If you do not know, you learn about BIC, but you may miss it. So this is where the Earn As You Learn broadcast comes about. Okay. Now, all the training video is uploaded right here under our Chart Nexus Trading Academy, only for our members. Okay, only for our members. So it's a lifetime access. So you join one time, you can access this forever, for as long as you still breathe. So this is all the training videos, all the little secret on how to read the chart, our own unique way to find out if the stock too expensive, use the PIPS, one tool that we didn't show you today, okay, but cover inside the program. If the stock price is too high, even with BIC, we also don't buy. Okay, and then we have got advanced breakout trading strategy, VT volume trigger. So all these are our own strategies. You have got sell rule explained. So you want to know how to take profit and selling right here. You have got trading portfolio management and also how to position size. You cannot always buy 10,000 shares, 10,000 shares, 10,000 shares, no. You need to be able to compound your trading account. That is how your money will grow. If you every time buy the same size, or you happy, or this stock is risky. Now, I heard this nonsense from one of my friends. I don't know whether he's listening in or not, but I still want to screw him. If this stock is risky, if this trade is risky, buy lesser law. Wow, I cannot stand this kind of answer. What are you doing? We are trading professional. We need the money. No, you like that trade. That this trade is risky, I buy lesser. Risky, you don't even trade. My goodness. You should look for stocks that has got the highest potential. Your winning rate is very high. You go for it. You position size yourself properly inside it so that you can compound your profit when you are right about the stock. You don't, this stock is risky, I buy smaller. That stock, I think higher chance, I buy more. This is called gambling, my friends. So today, if you are doing that, you better stop lah. You better stop. Okay, it will not help you grow account. Then later, when the stock you are right, you win a little bit. Then when the stock you are wrong, you lose a lot. How to win? This way. Okay, so that is all the training videos are right here. So if you are interested to buy REITs, build an income portfolio, over here. Guidelines to buy REITs. Identifying market bottom. If the market crashes, so far this year only made the market pull back a lot. So that is the time to revise how to buy low. Okay, identify market bottom right here. And how to average up, how to buy more if you're right in the trend. So this is over here, trading principles. Okay, how to use the market strength index, a very good write-up over here. And how to read the financial reporting right here. Okay, so and the two screening rules, price pullback, trend master V3. So these are all here. Okay, so this is a very good resource that will be yours forever. Daily commentary is our Facebook private page, okay, only for Singapore Traders Club members. So every morning I will greet you good morning, and then I will kick off the conversation. 24th of August is today, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. market hours. Ask all you can. Okay, so let me show you. Now, this is our Traders Club watch list. Okay, the stocks that we discussed last night, Monday meeting. So these are the stocks we want to focus on going forward for the next earnings. So share. So this is kickoff, and then after that, throughout the day, we will talk about the stock market and what to look for. See, Temasek subsidiary reduces stake in nano firm. How do I know? Member sharing. Okay, member sharing. So you see a lot of information right here. Okay, like Capital Corp. Then we have got a question about Q&M. Then I reply. So this is where you ask the question, guys. Okay, where you ask the question. So this is the daily commentary that I think can help you a lot, because you will be able to have a channel to ask your questions to me, and where I will answer you, so that your learning is complete. Okay, your learning is complete. So my whole SGX mentorship program require how much of your time? 1 year of your life. 1 year of your life. Okay, because you see, this is a mentorship. So market dynamics changes every quarter, every month. So I need to guide you for 1 year so that you will be able to appreciate when to use what strategy. Okay, and how to find the earning stock. What is the market trend changing to? 1 year. Okay, so you give me 1 year of your life, I will transform you into a consistently profitable trader. Know how to look for the right stock. Now, these are some of the trading record that I have put up together to show you some of the glorious moments. Prop next 4,600, two trades. First one out at 2.6, second trade in and out at 2K. So total 4.6K for prop next. The dates are here. Okay, and Sembawang Corp Industry, one good trading idea, 2.7K. Now, if you find 2K in normal so only 6K, 6.4K Union Gas. Okay, Union Gas, 3rd of March, first trade on Union Gas, 6.4K, got out, got back in. Later, I'll show you how much I make for the second trade. So this is the whole SGX mentorship program. You will receive the Telegram alerts for our trading strategy sent to your mobile phone. So you must install Telegram. Learning broadcast, install our Chartnexus mobile app so that I can get in touch with you. and show you how to read the chart. Like for example, I saw Capital Corp, I share with you. Once you learn right from the video, you know how to appreciate my Capital Corp chart. That is the objective. Okay, earn as you learn. Remember, for this 1 year, you don't learn all the way, all the theory, and then do nothing. So it is learn as you earn. We will trade together, trade by trade. Okay, private FB group for you to ask the question, and the ESP Master Pro software for you to check the stock. What is the ranking? Then you use the screener to screen out the stocks. Okay, so these are the group of stocks tonight. You go through, check the ranking, 3-star, 4-star stock, any good setup, no good setup, close, wait for the next day. As simple as that. Trading, no need to be difficult, because I have traveled the path already, guys. I already stepped on a lot of landmines over the last decade. So I know what works, what doesn't work. So if you follow me behind, it is less likely you're going to step on the landmine. Okay, and get yourself bombarded. Boom. Semicons, 11.3K profit January this year. Now, long time ago, I always wanted to hook tuan. I mean, one trade, one good idea, ayo, only make $1,000 or $2,000 or a few $100 when I first started. 4-digit profit is like a dream come true. Usually it's only what, 300 500, 800. Also when my account is small. So I was always dreaming, how can I make it more significant?原来 no need to take extra risk. That means no need to, once good stock, hook no need. All you need to do is to find 3 good stock, and each of them gives you 3K to 4K. You add them up together, 11.3K. Okay, so this is a semiconductor trade. Now, MedTech, just now I showed you the BIC, right? So I took the trade in 2020 during the COVID time. Now, during the COVID time, many of you may like find, market crash, my portfolio rate, don't know what to do, don't know what is this stock, MedTech, the one I never heard before. A lot of people do that, last year. Why? Because they are still talking about DBS, CapitaLand, all the old blue chip stock. They thought, hey, go back to this stock safer. Wrong. Different market situation, there will be an industry that is trending. 2020 is the healthcare stock. So if you do not know MedTech, you find out. If you do not know to find out, I find out for you. BIC chart, don't waste it. Okay, one good idea on MedTech, 27.7K. Okay, Fortress Minerals, 13.4K. That time when steel prices hit record highs, the Bursa steel stocks are running out. I quickly scramble to find Fortress Mineral, and Fortress Mineral is when I ask my traders club, my community, hey, which company in Singapore is doing steel one? Wow, the members contributed, Southern Alliance Fortress Mineral Then that is how we spotted the BIC. Okay, that is how we spotted the BIC. And then subsequently, when we use the screener, Fortress Mineral pop up. Wow, 卖图了, BIC come out already. This is how we make the money. Okay, 13.4K. So with the knowledge you picked up and you learned from me over the 1 year, it will open your eyes to opportunities, and you don't anyhow buy stock. Then you'll be able to make money. Okay, these are my August big winners. I'm going to share with you right here. 17th of August, not 18th. 17th of August, I sold my Franken 3.6K. Okay, 3.6K. And iFast, 17th of August, this fella, I wrote them long. So finally decided to sell it because of weakness, 19.5K. And you have got Union Gas, 4.7K, and this is the second trade on Union Gas. The first trade was 6.4K, second trade 4.7K, total 11, I think about 11K, about 11K from Union Gas. And don't forget, Union Gas plunges. If you do not have sell rules, you do not know how to protect your profit, can I say it will wipe out my profit of Union Gas if I have never sold? Now it makes sense to you. You know how to buy, but profit is made by selling. You must know how to sell. Okay, and then you have got Yang Zhejiang, 4.4K. So if I add up all my big winners over here in August, total $32,200. Enough to cover all the small little annoying losses along the way that I got it wrong. Okay, Q&M, Innotech, even right here I got Wilma, I got it wrong. It more than enough covered. Okay, even a nano firm. So that is how I do it. Find good company. If I'm right about the earning, the catalyst, I keep on buying, keep on riding, keep on buying, keep on riding until there's a reason to sell, harvest the profit, and now wait again. Simple. That is how I do it. Okay, so if you like what you see, please hit the like button. Hit the like button. I see the screen like frozen like that. Oh, hit the like button. Okay, so my pre-COVID seminar package, that time we are still able to get together in the training room. I talk to you for 1 to 2 days. Then after that, we meet weekly. That face-to-face training was priced at 2,788. Okay, now 2,788 to learn how to make $32,000 kind of trading performance, I think is very value for money. Am I right? All you need to do is 2,788 and you learn a lifetime skill to make lots of $2,000 in the stock market by buying the right stock together with me. So this is the value that your 2,007 can get for you for a lifetime. You spend 1 year with me to learn this BIC chart, to trade good companies together with me, and you can do this for the rest of your life. Okay, so that is 2,788 before the pre-COVID time. So right now, we are doing this fully online. There's no need for face-to-face training because of COVID. We cannot do it anyway. So therefore, the whole mentorship program has been moved online. So we are able to save on the room rental costs, the staff costs. Okay, so now it is only 1,388, less than 50% of the face-to-face training. So I find this is the right time to learn this mentorship program together with me. Okay, if you break it down to the 12 month, it is only $115 per month. Now think about how much this $115 per month is so affordable to you. Imagine if you are already losing more than $115 per month. Now, doesn't it make sense to stop what you are doing and invest this in this program and then trade together with me in the community? Now, this package will include ESP Master Pro, the software, for you to check the ranking of the stock and also to screen out for the next opportunities, the private group access, and you have the trading videos for your lifetime. You can access that Facebook group for the lifetime. We just need to add you in for one time. And you get the communicator for my Earn As You Learn broadcast, and you also receive Telegram alerts from our strategy signals, okay, i.e. the Trend Master V3 signals. The sign up link is over here, chartanalysis.com/trading SGX. Now, before you hit the link to sign up, let me share with you 2 other bonuses that you will receive when you join the group. Now, I have a separate portfolio in CDB account collecting dividends. Okay, my objective is to build this dividend until I am 55 years old, and then it is able to help to substantiate my, not substantiate, it will help to cover some of my expenses and live on this dividend income. So as I find good opportunity in REITs, I will start to park more and more money under these REITs. Easily 5 to 6%, much better than the special account, much better than, not much better. I should say, if you are parking money in your SRS account, this REITs play will be very ideal for your SRS account. Okay, because SRS you save on taxes, am I right? So every year you can park about 15.3K. Now the limit currently is 15.3K. So if you park every year into this SRS account, you do not know how to invest, you're going to lose the money inside. It's going to be very yamkong. So what you want to do is you can buy REITs. Okay, so this bonus for you, REITs. When I see good REITs, I will highlight and then we can do this together. Okay, like this is the example how we do the Maple Tree Industrial some months ago. Okay, and bonus alerts. Okay, I have set up an alerts on the server. So whenever the stock that I'm monitoring, for example, Capital Corp today, trigger my entry, send an alert to me. You being my members will be added into the same group so that you will receive the same alerts as me. Then we can take action together. You don't have to wait for my Earn As You Learn broadcast. Well, if you are not confident, you can always wait for the Earn As You Learn broadcast. But if you are already experienced, you want to find out the same alerts together with me, you join me, you get the same alerts that I get. Okay, real time. Now, I am offering a 5-day 100% money back guarantee because I am so confident that this program is like nothing else out there. Once you come in, you will see you get value almost every single week. Okay, every single week, every single day. So this is totally risk-free on your side. You come in for 5 days, within 5 days, okay? If you decided that this program is not what you're looking for and you think that I cannot help you to be profitable, you can ask for a refund. I will refund you 100%. The card fees charged by the bank, I will pay for you. So the risk is on my side. You follow me? You pay $1,388. I will refund you if you say, no good, you are lousy, I don't want you to help me. I will refund you 138. Then I will pay the bank for your credit card charges. Okay, so that is totally on my side, the risk. Now, the condition here is your last date to seek the money back is 12 p.m. 29th of August, which is this Sunday. So tonight you sign up. You have tonight, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday morning to decide. Can I help you? Do you want to continue this program? If your answer is no, then before 12 p.m., just send me an email. The following week, we'll process your refund and you will receive your money within the week. Okay, so that is my money back guarantee for you. And upon sign up, okay, you will receive full access to the software for you to do the screening, for you to look at the ranking. You will have access to the private group where you can see how we communicate as a community. You will start to receive the Earn As You Learn communicator. Okay, so if this week we have got other glorious opportunity, you will be able to benefit. Then the Telegram alerts from the software, okay, you will be able to receive the strategy alerts. So these should be able to give you a taste of how trading together with me feels like. And for the training videos where you have the lifetime privilege, we can only activate your access after you have confirmed that you want to be in the program, i.e., you will not get this training video during the 5 days. Okay, but if you are so sure that you trust that this is you enjoy yourself, you have enjoyed yourself, and think that this program is what you're looking for, very close mentorship. You decided that you don't need to wait until a Sunday. You want to confirm immediately that you're not going to ask for a refund. Just send an email in and say that I am not asking for a refund. Please activate my access. Then we'll give you the access to the training videos immediately. Okay. The next glorious opportunity to find good stocks, September, October. If you have been struggling for the first 8 months of this year, don't try it by yourself anymore. Okay, because you're going to waste even more time. My suggestion to you is join the program now because you have got a risk-free 100% money back guarantee. Okay, so before I share with you tonight's price, okay, it will not be 138. I want to show you my testimonial from the members first. Okay, testimonial. So you see, we have got a lot of testimonial collected. Okay, I'm going to bring you to the source of the testimonial, which is on our Facebook page. So 真的假不了. Okay, these are real people who shared their experience right here. Okay, can you see? They give me such a long testimonial. I feel so grateful and appreciative of them. Okay, so I'm just going to pick the first one and the second one to read to you. Okay, so learning while making money. This is the Earn As You Learn I'm talking about. Learning while making money with Chad Nelson is the greatest takeaway in 2020 for me. One can invest with confidence in Bursa with guidance and knowledge imparted by the master, by Yihua, don't call me master, by Yihua. The tools and software provided make my learning much easier to understand the market and investment really worthwhile. Okay. The next one, Teh Siu Hyang. I joined his mentorship program few months before. Yihua is very good coach and experienced. He always reminds us, don't chase and be patient. You see, I'm very consistent. Don't chase. That is not how I make my money. Okay, last time, more than 10 years ago, I chase. Breakout chase. Yang Zijiang like today, I chase. Then next few days, I will cry. It always happens. You know it. 你知道的, you know it. All right, so you need to be patient. You need to wait. Okay, don't chase, be patient. So he's totally new in the stock market, and after following him, which is me, with a simple and straightforward method, I have started to gain some profit. Enjoy very much his style and hope everybody can make money together. Okay, so this is the testimonial, a lot of them. You can come in and take a look. Let me go back to my slide. Okay, let me go back to my slide. All right, so this is the final price. Okay, 1188. So it's not going to be 1388, it's going to be 118 if you take action tonight. If it's 1188, you break down to 12 months, it's only $99 per month. So cheap, so affordable. For $99 per month, you join the #1 group in Singapore trading. Okay, that is committed to help you make a difference in your trading. So if you are committed to make 2021 and beyond better, and you are working towards a financial independence, trading in the stock market is one channel that you think you want to excel in, join me. Give me 1 year of your life and you will trade very differently for the rest of your life. Okay, so to enjoy this 100% money back guarantee, remember, email me. Okay, if you really think that I cannot help you, 12 p.m. 29th of August. If you want the training material earlier, just email to us saying that you're not going to ask for a refund and give you the access. This is as simple as it gets. Now, September, there will be a price revision. It's going to be 1288, $100 more. Every single month, we are going to increase by $100. So those of you who join us earlier will always benefit. 早买早享受，迟买就后悔。Okay, so this is a link, chartaccess.com/trading-sgx. So my assistant has already pinned up the comment. Pin, come on. Admin, can you please pin up the comment? Yeah, okay, so this is the comment, under the comment in Facebook and also in YouTube. My assistant has already pinned up the sign up link. Risk-free, go join. Okay, go join. Hey, ChartNexus is not a fly-by-night company. We have been around for what, 17, 16 years already. You know some of the tools that you are using for your broker. Let me show you. We are the chart vendor for some of the brokers like UOB Kay Hian. Okay, now this is the chart that we did for UOB Kay Hian. This chart is provided by ChartNexus to UOB Kay Hian. So we count 7 brokers in the region using our solution. So our money back guarantee is as real as the gold. 比金还要真, so you don't have to worry anything about it. Okay, so let me show you where is our partner corporate solution. See, we have a lot of businesses. Training is just one of it. Okay, let me show you who is our broker partner, broker solution. See, we provide broker solution. We also run the investor relation page for all the listed companies that you see here in the list. Do we have the list here? Okay. They changed the layout. Okay, so we have got multiple businesses, ChartNexus. So we are not your new we call that new company that wow, don't know whether this money back guarantee 是不是骗人的？没有啦， we have been here for so long, man. This is our partner, RHB, Lim & Tan Securities, UOB Kay Hian, Trimega in Indonesia also using our chart, M Plus also using our chart in Malaysia, Kenaga as well. Okay, so we used to partner CMC for event, Poems for event, and Smart Investor, I think no more, right? For events. Okay, so this is our corporate partners. Right? Any question, feel free to ask at the comments field. Okay, let me flash the money back guarantee so that you can have a peace of mind. First of all, NCOSH. No reply to my query about old student who paid 2,000 over previously. That is another program. NCOSH, you may want to write into et@chartnexus.com to see how we can help you in that, or maybe you can get access. Right? Who else got question? Doris, do you mean I have to open an account first, then I can access it with you? Doris, no need. Okay, you can use any broker to trade. Our training is independent of the stockbroker that you use to trade. So therefore, once you join, you use any broker, we don't care. 如果明天杨子江2块，你会怎么办？ Even okay, guys, this is how you should think. Yang Zijiang, okay, let's say Yang Zijiang, because I sold at 144, so now the price is 160. Okay, usually there will be pullback. Okay, if let's say no pullback, go all the way to $2, and if I can buy Yang Zijiang even at $2 with the setup that I'm looking for, and I'm able to sell it at 260, it's still making money. You understand? 260, okay, 260 is too difficult for you to count. I say $2 to 240, that is 20 cents is 10%, so it's 20% gain. Okay, so 20% gain, if I commit 15,000 of my money when Yang Zijiang is at 160 and I make 20% from it, it's the same as I commit 15,000 at $2 and I make 20% from it. You understand this concept? A lot of people don't get it, you know. They thought that, ayo, I missed this stock, like I fast last time. I missed buying at $1. Now it's at $2. I buy very low. I cannot buy because I feel very silly. Hey, please, why the stock price move from $1 to $2? Because of demand. The earnings is strong. The business is fundamentally is good. That is why it's worth $2 now. And you are buying it at $2, that is still further gain. So if from $1 you're able to make 20%, it's the same as you buy $2 and you make 20%, guys. That is how you should think. Stock price is just a number. It's just a number, okay? How different is this from the 3-day seminar course that I bought a few years ago, which is supposedly to be lifetime? End cost, okay, I replied this already, right? Okay, so give special discount. Leo special discount. Hey, now special discount, 1188. You come back 2 months later, 1388. So now is the special discount. And it comes with money back. I cannot find any reason, for those of you who has been here for many weeks, I cannot find any reason why you will not try. With a money back guarantee from a company, Chart Nexus, that is working with 7 brokers in this region, a 17 years old company, I don't think it is not a no-brainer to try. I think it is a no-brainer to try. Okay, those of you who have been sitting on the fence thinking, hey, last time only $960, right, guys? You know the price, right? It has always been going up. You know why it's going up? Because my equity curve is going up. The more money I make, I will increase the barrier of entry. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. Shah Assad asked about 6 months and 3 years record percentage earnings. I start with 250K, so I make about 94K. So I do not know what percentage is that. Let's see, 990. Okay, let's say 92,000. Divide by 250,000. 36%. Okay, 36%. Now, usually I shoot between 14 to 25%. Okay, that is my usual. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's see. Any more new question? Yes, speed projection need to consider nuclear. You are right. Okay, but that one is just analogy that buying at $1 and buying $2, right? It's the same. Most importantly is it must have the potential to go higher. Okay. Doris, no. The chart that I'm using and showing you right now. Okay, let me show you again. This is ESP Master Pro. Right, Doris? You give me one stock. I show you how to use. Doris, are you there? Give me one stock, Doris. I show you how to use my ESP Master Pro. I do one demo for you. Come on. Okay, YouTube, let me see. Kuma asks ESP Master Pro access how many months? 12 months, brother. Kuma, 12 months. After 1 year, how much to pay for ESP Master Pro? Okay, for renewal, guys, renewal is 1188. Okay, 118. You buy tonight is 118. If you buy in September, it will be 128. Is your entry price to my mentorship program. The renewal is the entry price of the renewal program. So those members who join me much earlier, they will be able to renew at their entry price. Okay. After 1 year, everything stopped. TF Lam, everything stopped. Okay, Q and M. Let's talk about Q and M. Doris, since you never reply me. Now, Q and M. Once you come to my software, you hit Q and M, you click. Dun, 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 dun. You'll be able to see the ranking. Can you see? 2-star. Okay, 2-star. So it is not the best, it's also not the ugliest. Then you find the BIC. So this is ranking is how you use it. Now, tonight, I never show the full feature of this software. We also have got the trailing stop, guys. Okay, this system I only teach in the member night on Monday night. I just did a training last night, so it is for members only. Okay, because if you do not know how to use this, you may think that, wow, so simple, just buy the green arrow, make money. No, that's not how you do it. That's not how you do it. So it is a lot of explanation. So I am not showing at the public event, but actually we have this system inside the software. Okay. Got auto renew. We don't have auto renew, but when we run promotion, a lot of people usually wait for the promotion and they renew one shot, 2-3 years. ESG Master Pro has access to Booster. Okay, let me show you the market available. This is the market available. You have got Singapore market, you have got Hong Kong, you've got US, you've got Booster, okay, and you've got China. So these are usually the 5 markets that people are looking for. The 5 markets. So for example, let's see AMD. Okay, now it's already 10 o'clock, right? AMD, US market should be open. This is AMD chart. Hey, this is delayed chart. So you are not using end of day chart anymore. You see, this is 24th of August. Look at the date here. So you see, this chart is real time. Okay, delayed by 15 minutes. So you're looking at the intraday chart of the stock, US market. Hong Kong also have. Hong Kong is Xiaomi 1810. Hong Kong also have. Dun, 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 dun. Daily chart. Xiaomi. 要看习近平的脸色. Okay, so like Xiaomi is the same as Wilmar. Just now I explained Wilmar to you, right? So Xiaomi is the same. You draw this orange line. You set the alert to expiry of the alert to 9th of October, which 1 month later. You click apply. When Xiaomi break above this line, then it is time to be interested in Xiaomi. Okay, so and when it break, you check for BIC and it will send an alert to your live alerts in the software, or it will send it to your Telegram if you hook it up with the software. Okay, you hook up the software, it will send to your Telegram. Right, so this is how powerful the software is. Hong Kong, US, Singapore, Bursa, China is all there. Okay. For ranking, if you sign for the Singapore mentorship program, you only have the ranking to the Singapore stocks. Okay, hey, let's see CapitaLand. How do you看的 CapitaLand? Oh, 409. Ranking 1 star because earning 3. Very simple. How to enter the chart on BIC? Very good question. This is the question that every day we are answering. So join our mentorship program. 走过路过不要错过哦。走过路过不要错过。Money back guarantee, no risk, guys. Quickly sign up and get access. Try. Not happy, ask for refund by Sunday. We will refund you without any fees. No admin fee. Okay, I repeat again. If you sign up 1188 tonight, by Sunday, 12 p.m., if you send me an email saying that you want refund, I'll refund you full fee 1188. Okay, there is no admin fee charge or whatever. But the bank will charge me, okay, because the bank, they do the transaction, right? They usually charge the company, the merchant, what you call that, a credit card fee. So that fee usually it's about 3 or 4%. So we are losing money, If you refund, I lose money. So I'm willing to take the risk because I have got very good testimonial. I trust that you will find it valuable and beneficial. Okay. Does the training, okay, TFM, does the training with Andy count as joining you? No, Andy is my, you don't know which Andy? 老大华. I know lah, 开玩笑. Andy Yu, huh? No. Andy Yu is my good friend. We are the software partners. He has his own rules, so we do the software for them. So we are two different schools. Okay, 一个华山派，一个独孤九剑啊。So see which one you want to join. 反正天下武功出少林 ，Chat Nexus is the 少林咯。Okay, Daniel Han is asking any hidden fee or cost money? No, 1188 used for 1 year. Okay, 1188 used for 1 year. And if after 1 year, you can do it by yourself already, then you don't need to even renew, guys. If you follow me for 1 year, after 1 year, you still cannot do it by yourself, means I'm lousy. My objective is after 1 year, actually no need 1 year, no. After 6 months, you go through 2 earning cycle with me, you know the process already. So if you find that it's beneficial to be part of the group, you see my profit, easily more than 1188. What are you considering about? Especially if you lose more than 1,000 per month in the stock market on the average, I think whatever you are doing is not working. It is better you invest in this program. Do I operate a managed account? No, I do not. Okay, I do not. 犯法的嘞，不可以。Okay, I do not operate a managed account. I trade my own money. That 250K is my 血汗钱 and my sweat and blood money. I save 1 cent by 1 cent for the last 17 years. 好不容易赚到的嘞。So it is my money. It is not other people's money. Any other question, guys? Before we call it a night. Okay, I'll on the Chinese New Year music because I love that song so much. As the background music. While I wait for more questions to come. Confidence comes from where, guys? Confidence comes from having done it before, okay, time and again. So that is why even the market, no matter how tricky, the worst I have seen now, guys, the worst I have seen is not even COVID-19 2020. The worst market is 2008. I was there in the thick of it. I saw how worse the situation is. COVID-19 is nothing. Okay. Will the communicator and Telegram alerts be for life? Steve Long, it is not for life. It is for 1 year. 1 year. Okay, it's on a 1 year renewal basis. Can the program screen US stock? Yes. Yes, you can screen the US stock, guys. Let's say we do it on Nasdaq, how much? Nasdaq. And there you go. Okay, now, but only for Singapore, so you have the ranking. Nasdaq, we are still working on it. There's no ranking yet. Okay, and I would think US market, right? Trendmaster V3 will be sufficient. Okay, will be sufficient. So these are the list of stocks. Okay, and you sort by industry. US stock, you sort by industry, right? You'll be able to see which industry is there. You see biotechnology a lot. Okay, so from Beam to Osmotica, then we go to the price chart, we sort by result. Okay, and from Beam, here this biotechnology, you can see, oh, so nice, right? Sweet, oh. And then you look for the BIC chart lor. This type cannot lah. This type cannot. One by one you go down. Then your stock hunting will not be that difficult anymore. No problem, DT, Tony Fu, sweet dreams, sweet dreams. Okay, guys, no more questions. Yeah. Any questions? Always feel free to write into us, et@chartnexus.com. My assistant has pinned at the comments field. Let me show you the comments field. There you go. Okay, there you go. This is the comments field right here. Okay, you can email to us or WhatsApp to us. Okay, if you got more questions. Okay, otherwise, I thank you for your participation, and for those of you who are trading Polestar, I will see you tomorrow evening. Traders Club member, I will see you in the club tomorrow, and let us look for more stocks together and make our capital call. Bye bye.
Across all your commonly used platforms such as Google Docs or Gmail. The free version will provide you with basic grammar and spelling